This is an Rubik scope and I'm going to be solving this thing for an hour every day for the next 7 days. Why am I doing this? How they are doing this? So I just want to know that if I solve this Rubik's Cube an hour for every day for the next 7 days, will it improve my speed? Well, there is only one way to test this. Let's do it. First, solve this thing. Well, so this is my normal speed. So let's see. After 7 days, what will be my speed? Time lapse. I wonder how many times I have to do it in an hour. I don't know. Let's figure it out. This is gonna be interesting. So I just solve it for 1 hour. So basically I'm so much excited because it is not a physical challenge like 1,000 push-ups for every day for the next 7 days. It is only a mental challenge. I can do it. So I am so much excited. I can solve this thing for an hour every day for the next 7 days. So let's start today's solving time lapse. Well, like day number 1 and day number 2, I am still so much excited. So let's start to the session. Let's start solving this cube. Time lapse. Hey guys, welcome to the day number 4. So so today is not going to be the similar as day number 1, 2 and 3 because in those days I was so much excited, but today I am feeling so much tired because I went to my cousin's house and then when I returned to my house my full body started to feel so much tiredness. Oh man, I don't travel a lot, and when I travel a little bit, my whole body starts to feeling so much tired at night. Oh man. But I will do this. I will solve this thing for 1 hour today. Because I said it, so I am going to do it. Oh man, but I don't want to do it. I don't care what I want to do. I care what I wanted to do and what I decided to do. I decided to do this. So I am going to do this. So let's start today's session. Let's solve this cube for an hour. So time lapse. Hey, how's it going guys? So today I'm back again with that much of excitement. So let's start with the solving. And let me remember that we have only 2 days left. So let's see how much speed do I gain. Time lapse. So guys, my electricity just have a problem. So we'll shoot later. So let's start the number 6. So today is the last day, so let's get into it. Okay, now this is the last and the final act. So this is the most extreme moment of the 7 days challenge. So now we can see that how much speed do I gain from the 7 days challenge. So let's do it and see our result. And my time starts now. So guys, this was fast, so fast. We were so fast than the number 1. Wow. The number 1 took me like 1 minute 30 second, and I think this took me 1 minute. I don't know what is the time. I don't know how much time did this take, but I know that I did it. I gained more speed than the number 1. I think if I practice more, I can get more of speed. Okay, first thing first, solving this thing for an hour every day for the next 7 days is kind of fun. Like after 1 hour of solving this thing, your speed will be more than the first one. So you will be more happy than before. Like I solved it for an hour and my speed gained 10 seconds faster than the before. And after 7 days of hard work, my speed gained 40 seconds faster than the before. So this is kind of fun. I will suggest you to do this, and I am going to solve this thing for an hour every day for the next 30 days because it changed my speed. So thanks for watching guys. Peace.